the state, Hillary Clinton, said America had serious concerns about the election and about the harassment of independent election monitors.
We're watching the election results with great interest. Clearly, the Duma is going to have a different than it did.
Huge amount of money, isn't it?
Unfortunately, that's the kind of challenge we are up against.
More and more in the last few years, and a lot of people have written saying very nice things.
Widely, I mean, huge.
Yeah,
every book that comes out.
Or anyone else. It sounds like it might be Newt Gingrich. I think it has very little utility, and Herman Cain.
And they're representing from Long Beach, California. They call it the Greenery, and that was 2012 bags.
He's a big talker. He knows about a lot of things. He likes to point that out.
What about some of the things that he may have said in the recent past that are getting him into trouble?
Well,
And that was kind of mired in controversy because
it was sort of a similar moment to earlier in the year when Rick Perry said that people who opposed in-state tuition for undocumented students are heartless. And so other candidates have really leapt on those comments, saying that he supports amnesty, he is saying that not everybody can be deported, things like that. And it's really, in a lot of ways, a more realistic way to look at the situation, but it's still something that he's just really getting hammered on. So it'll be interesting just continuing to watch as immigration is a big issue, even though, you know, in a lot of ways it shouldn't be.
Yeah. Not to say that any of the other candidates actually came along and said, well, they thought that immigrants should be treated inhumanely.
No, they didn't. But what they're basically saying is that what he wants to do, which is sort of increase the number of people who can come over on worker visas and allow some people who are already in the country to get legal status, they're saying that that would be a what he wants